Excuse me, sir. You know, you know they are using their parents' phone to read.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, oh, oh,
So as I'm
oh,
speaking now, it will speak. It will read my own name as Reverend Tobola. Check.
oh, no, no. He's reading some DNU4 big C's, just combination of characters. That's what we have there at the moment. Hello, Messi. How are you doing today? Hello, Bridget. How are you doing today? If you can unmute yourself, please do, so you can introduce yourself. And if you can turn on your camera, please do that. Then maybe after introduction, I understand that you are using phone. So after introduction, you can turn off your camera
Yeah.
if you feel it's not
Yeah.
necessary.
Yeah, this one. Just want to speak.
All right, but for introduction, please turn on your camera, turn on your mic, and introduce yourself.
Yeah. Speak.
On your camera, turn on
Good
your mic.
afternoon, sir. I'm Laughter.
Speak well.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir. My name is Laughter.
Oh, good afternoon, Laughter. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you, sir.
All right, good to have you on board.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I hope you've joined the studio. You've joined the Scratch studio.
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. That means you are ready for the class.
Yes, sir.
All right, well done.
Thank you.
Okay, Messi, Bridget, can we have you? Okay, so while we are waiting for others to join, so please log on to your Scratch website, get into your Scratch website. Get into the Scratch website. We are going to wait 3 minutes more. So once it's 10 minutes after 1, we are going to start. Then anyone who join after will meet us. Anyone who join after will log on to the Scratch website. Log on to the Scratch website.
No. Kéèyàn tó parí ẹ̀. Kéèyàn tó parí ẹ̀. Èèyàn ti lè wò. Kí ló bá ti parí ẹ̀ wò ni?
Log on to the Scratch website. All right, after you can mute your mic,
Mi ò kọ́.
Messi, can you hear us? Um, please, the one whose dad just spoke to us, can you tell us your name? DNUNA for.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Mercy. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, good to have you on board.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, have you logged on to the website?
Change this one first. Change it. Why you change that?
Yes. What website?
Scratch website, scratch.mit.edu. That's the
Okay,
website.
sir.
All right. So, everyone, please get on.
All right, the NANA4 is Laughter Bola. I'm just trying to change the address now.
Oh, that means we have two laughter.
That, in fact, I'm surprised to see myself.
Oh. All right. Don't, I will
So,
just I will do the renaming here. Don't worry, sir.
all right. So the DNUNA4 is Laughter Bola.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, please, everyone confirm that you've gotten into the website. Confirm you've gotten into the website.
So I've gotten to the link.
Awesome.
I don't know what to do. So I've gotten to the link.
Okay. All right. Good job. Sign out.
Mr. Victor, we might want to have them also tell us what their username is. Obviously, their username isn't going to be the same one on the actual Scratch classroom. So we might need them to have them tell us what their username is so we can like cross-reference who's
Okay.
who's here as far as for example, what is Bridget's username in Scratch, because obviously there's a bunch of different ones. So
Yeah, that's true.
oh,
Okay.
I think I see Bridget Rejet 2010. Very clever, Bridget. Let me get a piece of paper so I can write those down.
Okay.
Maybe they can type it in. I don't know if they can type it in the chat that easy for them on their phones. But
All
I'll
right.
start
Yeah.
taking that down.
Okay. Okay. Please put your username in the chat. Just in the chat, put your username there. Not, not your password. Not your password. Your username. Just your username. Just your username. Put it in the chat. As you join, please put into the chat your username. Put into the chat your username. Okay, so we are going to start now. Okay. All right. Once again, I want to welcome everybody. I want to welcome you on board today. All right. Time will not permit. I would have asked everyone to introduce, but I know Messi has introduced herself. Mitchell has introduced herself. Laughter has introduced herself. Even though to hear from Get and Murayo, but that's okay. Just put your username in the chat so that we can keep track. So that we can keep track on your project. All right. So once again, I welcome everybody. So today we are going to be getting into Scratch. So quickly, Scratch is one of the block-based programming language we have out there. You know, even in advanced university like Harvard, so they use block-based programming to teach the basic of programming. So this is to ensure that you understand the nitty-gritty of, coding, of programming. So this will help you at least to put one of two things together. Introducing you to text-based might look complex and discouraging. So block-based helps you, to create that interest, to gain familiarity with programming terminologies. Do you understand? So today we are going to be using Scratch. There are other block-based programming out there, but we are going to be using Scratch today. And the official website for Scratch is scratch.mit.edu. We've made things easier for you by sending you the right link. All you need to do is to create your account, and I see that a lot of you have created your account and some of you have joined the studio. All right, kudos. So if you have not done so, please do that as soon as possible. All right, let's get into the objectives for today. Today, we are going to think of a way to make letter call my life. Basically, we are going to be, I'm going to be introducing you, getting you familiar with the interface. Then after that, we are going to animate letters. We are going to get letters as sprite. We animate it. We add cool background and sounds, and we also give you the privilege to share your project with your friends after the class. All right, so let's get started at it. So you want to imagine your name. I believe you all know how to spell your name, right? So you spell your name. Tell me how many letters you have. I won't have to do that because of time, but basically this is what it will look like. If you are Emmanuel, maybe you want to shorten it to Hima, right? And just get two different things. You are going to learn how to make this. Basically, you are going to learn how to make this at the end of today's class. All right, so this is the project. This is the official link, scratch.mit.edu. So you should join the studio. So if you can't find the studio at first, just click on this icon. Everybody, can you see this icon when you get in? Can you see this icon? Can you see this icon? Do you know how to use the thumbs up on Zoom? Please don't forget to put your username in the chat box. If you can find this, can you put yes? Okay, I wouldn't want to interrupt your usernames. But in your Zoom, you will see the React button. Can you click on it? If you can find this, on your phone, can you click on, can you React? Or, to make things easy, just open your camera, your mic and say yes. If you can find this, can you say yes?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, okay. 2 years, 2 years. All right, good job. All right, all right. So you click on it. The moment you click, you are going to see a drop down. Then in that drop down, you have profile, you have my stuff, you have my class, you have account settings, and you have sign out. Please do that and confirm you have seen it by saying yes. Confirm you have seen it by saying yes.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
yes. Okay, 2 years. One more. Click on this once again. Click on this profile icon. Then you will see my stuff. So click on that my stuff. If you can see the my stuff, can you say yes? I've gotten 2 years. So I need one more. If you can see my stuff, can you say yes? Unmute yourself and say yes if you can see this. If you can unmute yourself and see this.
Yes.
All right. So the reason why I'm doing this. The reason why I'm doing this. Oh, sorry. I have to mute you, sorry.
I don't like that.
Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is to ensure that no one is left behind. Please take notes. All right. So click on the My Stuff. Click on it. My Stuff. Click on it. So once you click, it will take you to this screen. Then at the top, you can see Create. At the top, you can see Create. If you can see Create, can you say yes? If you can see Create,
Yes.
all right, 1 yes. 1 yes. 2 more.
Yes.
Okay, 1 more. My check should always be 3. 1 more.
Yes.
If you can,
Sir.
okay, no, 3 yes. All right, so just click on it. Click on Create. Click on Create. So the moment you click on Create, it will take you directly to the Scratch online editor. It will take you to the Scratch online editor. It will take you to the Scratch online editor. Yeah, I know it can be frustrating, right? Getting kicked out of by network um time without number, but you know, once you are kicked out, please join back. If the network kick you out, join back. Do you understand? All right. So click on Create. If you have done that, then it will take you to this interface. Now, I am officially welcoming you into Scratch. If you are here, I am officially welcoming you to Scratch Edit. If you can see something like this, can you say yes? If you can see something like this,
Yes.
say yes. 1 yes. 2 more.
Yes.
1 more. 1 more. Okay, other ones are still trying to do it. So I will quickly, because of the ones that that were kicked out, you know, so I will quickly rephrase what I've said so far. So when you get into Scratch, sorry, Mitchell, I see that you have been kicked out several times. So when you click on this, scratch.mit.edu to ask you to create an account, which you would have been created. So I know that you would have created that even before. So once you get in, this is the interface you will see. Then what you need to do is click on your profile icon. Your profile icon is going to give you a drop down. Then this is the drop down. Then in the drop down, click on My Stuff. Then after that, it will bring you to this screen. Then at the top left, you will see Create at the top left. If you can find it, then you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to, there will be a pop-up like something like a blue
Blanks.
then it will take you
Excuse me, sir.
to the online editor.
Excuse me,
It
sir.
will take you to Scratch online editor.
Hello, sir.
So this is the Scratch online editor. So if you are here, I've gotten 2 years. If you are here again, can you say yes? If you
A
can
question,
say,
sir.
oh, okay, sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Laughter has just been logged out of the of the Scratch platform
Website. Okay. Can you
website.
join back? Can you join back?
I'm there already.
It is taking us back to the registration page.
Oh,
And so
register.
trying to
So
Okay,
I'm
so
there already.
okay, so this is what you will do, sir.
yes,
When
sir.
you don't, since you've already registered, so there's no point in registering again.
So how do we
You
enter
can,
in?
okay, so you can close that. Okay, let me quickly. So you can close this and open a
Okay.
new tab and you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me log out quickly. So you will see, don't click on Join Scratch. Click on Sign In. Are you getting that, sir? Oh, did you lost him? All right, let's continue. I think he has been kicked out. Can you hear me, sir? All right. So, just click on sign in, then put
You
in
said?
your. Okay, so you are
Yes, I'm hearing you.
not going to click on join Scratch. You are going to click on sign in, not join Scratch. If you click on join Scratch, it will ask you to, start from scratch. I mean, start registering. But you have to click on sign in. Did you get that, sir?
Okay.
All right. So once you get there, you can put
Yes,
in
sir.
your information. Yeah. All right. I think that should solve it. Okay. So that should solve it. Then it take you back to join Scratch and create. Since you are using a laptop, you don't have to go through those steps. You are going to see create here at a glance. If you are using a laptop, you are going to see create at a glance. All right, so I will continue with, okay, so I've gotten 3 years. All right, so now this is the interface. This is Scratch interface. Please confirm, sir, you have been able to do it.
I'm still on it. I will confirm with you. It is
All right, that's network.
what is bringing on my phone is registration, but I will connect it. Don't worry.
Okay, you don't have to register again because that is going to be because they won't be able to get into the studio as a result of that. Just use the right username. You can close that tab and open a new tab. Open Scratch.mit. Remember, you click on sign in or join.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So we have, this is the interface. This is how it looks like, right? So this is the block area. They call it block palettes. You can see they are in different colors. variables, this. So one good thing is that you don't have to cram this. You don't have to cram this at all. The more projects you do, right, the more you get you get familiar with all of this, that at some point you wouldn't have to start thinking, oh, what is motion? What is this again? Do you understand? So you don't have to cram this at all. Do you understand? As time goes on, we are going to get projects. We are going to make do projects that touches the blocks. Do you understand? So, but take note, these are the block, and how do you make them do something? By dragging them, and snapping them together. So this is the block area where all you need to do is to drag and drop. Then snap the blocks together to make your sprite do things, basically. Okay, someone said she doesn't get it. All right, what I'm saying is that I'm just trying to tell you what is, this is block area. This place is called block area. So what we are going to be doing here is to drag and drop. Don't worry if you're not getting the drag and drop. It will make sense by the time we start making a project, right? But just take note that this is the block area. Just in case I'm asking you, go to the block area. So you are not going or toggling around. So you know where block area is. That's what I'm saying this for your reference. So the next one is we want to delete this. Now, this card is called sprite. Just like the normal sprites, you know, I know you can relate. So this is sprite. They call it sprite. And what we are going to do basically now, we want to delete it because the project we want to work on has nothing to do with this card. I'm calling it cards, but it is a sprite, right? So what you need to do, there is a dustbin icon here. Click on it. There is a dustbin icon here. Click on it. If you are clicking, it will bring out this pop-up. That are you sure you want to delete? Then you click on yes. You click on yes. If you have been able to delete your sprites, can you say yes?
Sir, please come again, sir.
Okay, very good. So when you get here, you are going to see it does like
Good afternoon.
Like a trash icon at the top, not here, at the top. So click on it. Click on it, it will bring a pop-up like this. Then click on yes. Have you been able to do that?
No, sir.
Okay. So what do you want me to repeat myself?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. I will. So now, when I was trying this, I faced a challenge. Let me assume that is what you are facing at the moment. So when you are here, right? Let me go back. Okay. When you are here,
Okay,
you
sir.
can, if you want to swipe, to the stage, you use this place. This is where you swipe. Yeah. So just swipe to this side. Swipe to the, that will be my left, right? Just swipe to the left. Swipe, but don't swipe in full. Just swipe just a little. The reason why you need to swipe is because when you click on this, you may not be able to see this pop-up. And if you don't see it, you won't be able to do anything. Do you understand? Sir. All right, so do that. Don't swipe fully, just put everything at the center. So that when you click on this, you can see these two buttons. Have you been able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good.
From the blocks, the network has
Yes.
been doing something. So we were not able to get what you did from after seeing the blocks and
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, Manuel, I'm going to repeat myself. Manuela, sorry. Okay. What about Mitchell?
Sir?
Have you been able to?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about
Yes,
Bridget?
I'll do it.
Okay, good. What about laughter? Laughter, have you been able to do it? Have you been able to get in?
Yes, in
Have you been able to get into the editor? What about Mercy? Laughter, what did you say?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. All right. All right. Very good. Oh, Emmanuel. So this is it. This is what I've done so far. You know, the moment you get, are you here, Emanuela? Are you here? You've got into this screen. Emanuela, can you hear me? You have to unmute yourself. Oh, we lost her. Okay, that's okay. All right, now that you've been able to delete, very good. So the next thing we are going to do is to pick a sprite. You know, I said the other time that this card is called sprite. The reason why it's called sprite is because we have
Sir, I
tons of.
don't get it.
Ooh, Mitchell, you don't get what?
Sir,
Have
I
you been
don't
able to?
get it.
Have you been able to delete?
No, sir.
Okay. So where are you at the moment? Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Very good. Okay, I will repeat myself real quick, real quick. So what I said based on my own findings, right? It will be
Okay, sir.
difficult for you. It will be difficult for you to delete when you are if you just toggle on that. But what you just need to do is number one, um,
Sir.
you have to swipe from this place here, this place exactly, not at the top here. Just swipe a bit, swipe to the left, swipe to the left a bit, swipe. So if you have been able to swipe, it will bring you here. When you swipe, it will bring
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
trash icon.
Sir?
There is
Sir?
a trash
Sir?
icon.
Trash.
Yeah, like a dustbin, like a basket,
Yes,
dustbin
sir.
basket.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Exactly. Click on it. Click on that dustbin, not the sprite. Click on it.
Okay, sir.
So you will get this. Are you sure you want to delete? So that dustbin is used to delete. It's used to delete
Okay,
sprite.
sir.
So have you been
Okay,
able to
sir.
click on
Yes,
delete?
sir.
All right, very good. Very, very good. So the next thing we want to do, when you have deleted your sprite, the next thing is to get a new sprite. Now, this is where you get a new sprite. This
Sir,
cat,
where?
can you see my annotate? This cat head. Can you see this cat head?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So
Where?
click on it.
Yes,
Everybody,
sir.
click on it. Click on it.
Okay, sir.
All right. So what did you see?
I didn't even see anything.
Okay. Not seeing anything. All right.
They have to double click because it's going to bring the, when you click on it, Victor, it's going to bring the pop up. So that just tell them to double click on it.
Oh, okay. So you need to double click. Thank you, Coach. Muriah, I've not had anything from you. So are you following us?
No, sir. I don't even see. I don't understand.
Is that Missy? Where are you? Where are you at the moment?
Sir, I'm at the costume side. I mean, whatever they call it.
Costume?
So,
Well,
What
she
did
might think that's the sprites.
okay. Oh, no worry. Just hold on. I just want to
okay,
be
sir.
sure that. All right. Double click. You have to double click to get to the costume side, to the sprite library. It is called sprite library. So this is it.
Sprite.
Oh, don't worry about the name. Don't worry. You are not going to see the name. I'm just telling you what that place is called. That is a library. You know, in a library you have books.
Okay, sir, library.
Yes, in a library you have books. So this one is called Sprite Library. Sprite Library, which means
Okay.
you have different kinds of sprite there. You have animal, you have text, you have human, you have people, you have different, you have fantasy. So that's it.
Yes, sir.
So you have to scroll down until you find this letter A.
Sir?
Scroll down until you find this letter. You are going to see letters there.
Until I find, okay, sir, a letter.
Yes, a letter.
Letter. Where's the letter?
Yeah, it's at the bottom, the bottomless. It's at the
Okay, sir.
bottomless. Swiping up.
Letter A. Mommy. Mommy.
So this is how it looks like. This is after you have scrolled, you are going to see, after you scroll down, so
Okay.
you are going to see different sprites. Then keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling until you get here. Then we are going to use ADA
Mommy.
first.
I don't even like her.
Are we good? Has anyone seen the letters?
No, sir.
Okay. What are you seeing at the moment? What are you seeing at the moment?
Sir, the network is bad, so I'm still at. I don't want to take you back, so that's why I did not see anything. I'm still at that block, sir. The network is just better now.
Okay. You're still at that. Have you been able to delete? Do you know how to delete? Do you know how to delete?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to be fast about that. It's okay. This is the first day. We will definitely not have this issue tomorrow. So this is it. You have to scroll from here, right? You have to scroll from here. Just swipe to the left, swipe to the left, right? So the next thing you are going to see is this. You are going to see this card, right? So at the top right, you are going to see like a dustbin icon, like a trash icon, trash icon. Have you been able to see it, Emanuela?
It's not showing up.
See that you move to the side, move to the side.
Am I not moving to the side?
I don't understand.
It's
Have you
not there.
seen this? Were you able to see it? Were you able to see this sprite, this card?
No, sir.
Move to
Okay,
the
what are you
side.
I'm
seeing
moving
at the moment?
now.
Are you
I'm
seeing this?
seeing. I'm using a phone or a system. I'm only able to scroll down. I'm not able to scroll to the side.
Okay,
Yeah,
this is a
sir, we
phone.
are just back now. Network has been glitches. Laptop, Tobola. I've just been able to enter into the Scratch platform now.
Okay, very good, sir. So since you are
Can
using a
you
laptop
hear me?
now, I can hear you. Can you hear me too?
The laptop, not a phone.
Yes, I'm using a phone.
What are you using
Oh,
for?
okay,
Where
that's fine.
we are in Kogi State presently. Where we are, the network is very poor. So we might not be
Oh,
able to use laptop. That's the reason why we are using phone. Though the laptop is
okay.
situated on the table. That's the
All right,
reason
no
why
problem.
it has been a bit difficult.
It's laptop you need, not phone.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Can you see this screenshot? This is a phone, not a laptop. So everything I'm telling you is if it's a mobile screen. I'm using the mobile screen, not if I'm just using my laptop to project. Do you understand, Emanuela? So, Emanuela, can you see this? Can
Yes,
you
I
see this?
can.
So can you see this place? So you have to swipe, sorry, you have to swipe here. This is where you are going to swipe. You swipe to the left, not up and down.
Okay. Okay.
So once you swipe to the left, you'll be able to see this.
Yes, I've seen it, sir.
All right, so toggle on this and delete.
Okay.
All right, good. Okay, sir. So what you need to do, sir, once again, quickly.
Yes, sir.
All right. So can you see this icon?
You know, we are right from the scratch. You know, we have been disconnected right from the beginning.
Yes.
Did
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing it
Yeah, so
clearly.
It's not
this is
deleting
from
now.
this is from the beginning now.
All right, sir.
Not
So
delete.
locate this icon, sir, and click on it. This
Are you
Yes,
sure
icon.
you want to delete this one?
That icon that is marked.
That looks like a cat head.
Okay.
That looks like a head. Okay.
Have you seen it, sir?
Is it reloading now?
I'm coming.
Reloading what?
If you see it at a glance,
Yes, I've seen it.
okay, so
I've
click
seen
on
it. Yes, I've clicked on it.
So it will go to it will show you drop down, then click on my stuff. My stuff. Have you been able to see my stuff?
You said?
My stuff. Can you see
My stuff.
Can you see my stuff? Can you hear me, sir? So let me repeat myself. If you click on this,
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Yes, if you click on this, so it's going to show you a drop down. In that drop down, you have profile.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
click on my stuff. Just click on it.
I've done that already.
All right.
I've clicked my stuff.
Okay, so it will take you to this screen. Just click on create at the top. This create at the top.
Create. Okay.
Have you seen it, sir?
All right, I've done that also.
Yes. All right. All right. So it will take you to, this might take a while because of internet, but it will take you to this place. Scratch online online.
Okay.
All right. So as for Emanuela, so this is what you should do. I know you say it's not deleting, right? I experienced this, when I was trying my own as well. So Emanuela, can you hear me?
Yes, I've deleted it, sir.
Oh, very good, very good.
Thank
All
you,
right.
sir.
So, sir, what you need to do, sir, you need to swipe from this place. This is where you are going to swipe from, not here. You swipe from here. Here. You just swipe to the left, this side. Swipe to the left. Oops. Okay. So please get your name. You have to repeat this step over and over again.
I'm coming, sir.
Okay. No.
You know I'm using phone, so
yeah, that's okay. So
it's just creating now for me.
I'm talking to other people. So please get have you been able to get A? I wanted you to use Ada before, but maybe you have to use your name. Okay, let's use Ada. Let's just stick to Ada now. Get A, then go back there. You have to go back there again. If you have gotten A, you go back there, get D. If you have gotten that, you go back there again and get A. So this is what you should have after this. So if you have been able to do this, congratulations. If you have been able to do this, congratulations. So I'm going to give you like 5 minutes to do that now. Then I will have Coach Eric to continue. All right, sir. So where are you, sir, at the moment? Eric, are you ready? All right.
Okay.
All right, Coach Eric, please go ahead. So Coach Eric will guide you on the next step.
All right, hello everybody. So just go ahead and get your name, whatever your name is. Okay, so you're just going to keep doing that same step over and over and over again. So you're just going to scroll down, find the letter of your name. You have block letters, you have glow letters, you have story. Okay. So you can be creative of however you want yours to be. Okay? So I'm just going to go and grab all the letters of my name. Okay. You're constantly going to go back down to the purple circle with the cat head to get your name.
All right, Coach Eric, can you hear me? Coach Eric, can you hear me? All right, so you can ask them to just do these 3 first, then they can do their names after, because of, this is shorter, so it's an assignment.
Shut up now.
Do you understand?
Okay. All right, so get ADA. I'm going to show you a trick too, girls. Right down here, I have the letter A. I want 2 of them. So just hold your finger on any sprite that you want to duplicate and you'll be able to duplicate it. See how fast that was? So just hold your finger on there. Since you're using a touch screen, just hold your finger and it will say, after like a second and a half, duplicate, export, or delete. Okay. So since I want 2 A's, I can just duplicate it. Okay. Please learn how to do that. Just hold your finger on there. It'll come up. There we go. Hey, let me know when you have your 3 letters. You put them anywhere you want. We're just going to focus on these for right now. And then after class, you can do your own name and then submit it to the studio. Let me know if you were able to get these. ADA, ADA. And then we're going to put a little code to it. We're going to code one and I'll show you how to duplicate it to the other one super easily. Well, I don't know. Let me try it on my phone to see how easy it's going to be. Let's take a look. Oh, man, what happened? Oh, here it is. So on my phone, I have a bunch of them too, because I know it's a lot different doing it on the phone. It'll be fine. Okay, we're all good with this. Everybody has, don't stress if you don't have all 3. You're going to do the exact same code for them. So let's see what we're going to do. You want to make sure that the sprite that you're coding on has a little garbage can. Okay. So you can see on mine that any code that I put here is only going to be focused on this letter A. Okay. You have to put code on every single sprite that you want something to happen. So the code that I would be putting on would only be focusing on that letter A. Now they're all going to get the same code, but just be mindful of what sprite you're coding on. Okay? You'll also notice you should see the sprite right up there. So right now I'm coding on the letter D. I can see the letter D up here. And I notice that the letter D down here has the garbage can. It doesn't matter which one you're coding on, they're all going to do the exact same thing, at least right now. When you are deciding what you want to happen, that'll be fine. So I'm going to tell this one in the yellow events, you're looking in the yellow events in the categories. Remember, on your phone, you have to scroll up here, up at the top. You have to scroll up at the top to move left and right to get to your coding area. Okay. You can click on your little events, or you can just do, a scroll with your finger. Okay? And you're looking for when green flag clicked. Okay? As Mr. Victor says, it's drag and drop. So just put your finger on it and drag it out. Now be careful, because if you don't drag far enough, it's just going to go away. So it is a little trickster on your phone. Okay? So make sure you drag it. I know you don't have a ton of space. I understand that. You might also try to reverse your phone this way instead of doing it like that as well. Okay, you're going to have to figure out your... Just so you know, right down here, you can zoom in and zoom out with your the size of your, well, I guess zoom in, you just zoom in or zoom out. You can move this anywhere you want. Let me know everybody's gotten a block. Has everybody gotten a green flag clicked? We all need this green flag clicked. Thank you, Mariah, for doing that. Awesome. Bridget, Michelle, laughter. Oh, it is loveth. It was Loevth, so I thought it was different, but loveth, very good. Mercy. Oh, we have a loveth and an Loev. Oh, okay, we have two. Okay, so what else are we gonna make this thing do? There's a bunch of different things you could make it do. So once you have your freedom, you'll go and figure out what you want. Okay. Again, it doesn't matter what sprite you're doing this on, what letter, because you're going to do it on all of them. In the motion, you're going to grab the very first one and move steps. Okay. You can see how I'm going to connect them together. Okay. Then I can move them around by moving the top one. If I grab the steps, it will come away. So take a minute and grab that. Let's see. Click. Now, the good thing is they're color coded, so you can easily just take a look if you fall behind of the blocks that I have with the color. Anytime you see these white little ovals, you can certainly change the value of that. Instead of moving 10 steps, maybe I want to move 5 steps. I can easily change the value of that. Okay. So maybe you want your different sprites to move different steps. Okay. The one right below the move steps is a turn 15 degrees. Two more blocks and we'll be good for today, and then you'll be able to play around on your own. Okay. I think one thing too, we're going to want to, okay. So green flag clicked. In the yellow events, it is yellow. Move 10 steps. In the blue, turn 15 degrees. Everybody's doing okay. We're going to add 2 more blocks and then we'll be good. This is the absolute best block here. Change color effect by. Super cool. Right? And anytime you see these blocks with the white triangle, it means you can open them up and you have other effects that you can play around with as well. Would totally encourage that. And here's the white circle so I can make that number different again. So in coding, each block is going to get read 1 time. Sometimes we want blocks to get read over and over and over again. So we're going to use a loop. Let me know everybody's doing okay here, because we're going to have to add a loop to this. Thank you, Mariah, for showing the thumbs up. Everybody else is doing okay? Anybody need any help? So when I click the green flag, you could certainly test this out. Okay. You can click this green flag right over here and you can watch your block. I'm doing the letter D, so mine is going to move. And if I keep clicking the green flag, you can see it's going to, oh, it's going to go into a circle. That's because I just kept clicking the green flag right here. Okay. But when you click the green flag, it does it 1 time. It moves steps, it turns degrees, and it changes the color effect. Okay. My color effect doesn't keep changing. Feel like something's wrong with my color. So we want all of these blocks to happen over and over and over and over again. So in the control, you're going to find the forever loop. This one is a loop. You have a repeat 10 loop, a forever loop, and a repeat until. These are loops. Okay? Everything inside here will happen over and over and over again. Okay? The easiest thing to do is probably grab your move. You cannot put you can't put them all in there. Okay? The green flag clicked, you see that block, it's called a tap block. It goes on the top. I can't put it in there. I can only put my move, turn, and change inside the forever. You can see how I'm doing that. You have to grab your blocks by the top one. If you grab it by the bottom, they will come apart. So I'm going to grab this. I want the move and all of those to come down, so I'm going to grab those and I'm going to put them inside the forever. You can see when you start moving it over there, you might get a gray shadow. I can then let go. Okay, and the last thing, we're just going to put it underneath the green flag. That's it. Click the green flag and there we go. Now, this is just one way to be able to animate. You're going to have a bunch of different, you're going to use your creativity of how you want to animate your blocks. Because this is a forever block, you're going to have to click the stop sign. I can click the green flag to start it again and the stop sign to stop. You notice how your code is glowing. That is a good sign because it's being read over and over and over again. Let me know, anybody need any help with that? Go ahead and find all of those blocks. Yellow, orange, blue, blue, purple. Now, once you have all of this, you can drag it to your other sprites. You can see that my letter A has no code and my other letter A has no code. Okay? Only my letter D. Doesn't matter which one you're coding on. They're all going to do the exact same thing. But instead of going to letter A and then going into the events and doing it, I can drag this over to my sprite area and I can put it on top. I don't think on the phone it really wiggles and jiggles, and let go. Now when I click the green flag, you can see two of my sprites are doing the exact same thing. Don't stress if you can't do that. That's something to practice. If I take this over here, my block does, on the phone, the block doesn't wiggle. Okay? But then just click on that sprite and check, do I have it? So I have my code right here on the letter A. On the letter A, here's my code. My second letter A has no code. So I'm going to drag it over to the second letter A. And there we go. If you cannot do that, you just go and you build it out. It's great practice, not a problem. Okay? But something I would learn how to copy code and right click and do, well, I call it right click on a laptop, but put your finger on there and learn how to duplicate. Those are things that you really want to know how to do. Move steps, turn degrees, change color, and forever. We are going to be leaving it here. You're going to be able to create your own code as well with your own name. Okay, so it's going to get a little, let's see. Okay, so the point of this is that we have a group. Your code gets saved automatically, but you can click File and save it. Okay. Save now. You can name your project. What do we want to name it? My name. Don't stress if you're not done. It's fine. You'll have plenty of time to work on it. So I named my name. Okay, let me see. I'm not signed in my phone. It kicks me out. So let me see here. Let me share this screen with you so you can see how to do it from your phone. Okay, so these were all of the blocks that we had. So you're going to, where it says untitled, that's where you will name your project. And click share. So you can name your project right here. And then here is the share button. You can just easily edit that, whatever you want to call your project, and then share it. Okay. So you should be probably coming into a screen like that. Let's see. Let me see what happened. Let me sign in. Let's see here. Oh, I don't think. Well, we'll see. See what happens. Okay, I'm going to share it. Okay. So down, once you click on share down at the bottom, it's going to say, it's hard to see, it's going to say copy link. So after you share your project, you click the share, you're going to look down, you'll see the name of your project, it'll have your project, and it's going to say copy link, okay? Your project would be here, A, D, A, okay? Once you immediately click on the link that says copy link, it's going to take it here. You're then going to click copy link. I don't see my studio, but I'm not in for that. So
All
I'll
right.
just sign in with this one.
So they have to go back to, if they can't find it at the bottom, right? So they have to go back to my stuff at the top. Just click on my stuff, then you can click on studio.
Copy link, click. Oh yeah, okay. So it doesn't take you here. Oh, okay, that's fine. So after you copy the link, you're going to click the X to get out here. Then you got to click on your profile and click my stuff. No, it's my class, right? It's going to be my class, right, Mr. Victor? I can't even click it on my thing.
Okay.
I think it's my class, right?
Yeah, my class.
So you're going to go to yours and you're going to click on my class. Then you got to click on the class studios. Oh, it keeps kicking me out because I'm trying to sign in on two different ones.
Oh,
It won't allow me with the same for my phone or which is really weird, but anyways, that's fine. Sign back in. Okay. Add the address here.
how many of you have been able to what is it called? Complete your project?
Once you once you copy, you can paste your URL right here.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, I stopped at the copy link.
You were able to copy the link?
Yes.
Yeah. Then go to your profile and click my class. Go to the profile, click my class, and add where it says add right here it says class studios. Click on class studios and paste your URL right here where it says add projects. And then click add by URL. So the computer and the telephone, I think feel like they're a little bit different.
Yes.
Because I don't get on a computer, girls, I don't get a link. I can't do a link here. So
Yes.
on the phone, you get the link and you paste the link in right here and then click add by URL. We should be able to then see your projects. Okay. All of your projects, they should show up here. I'm going to try to test that out on my phone to see if it works. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yes. You have a question? Okay, I think I successfully put mine in. So now let me see if I can. Okay. All right, there we go. Thank you, Mercy. Great job. Okay. So this is mine, ABC 8911. This is Mercy. We can now then take a look at the actual code. So Mercy, you can then go and add. You're going to have to add letters to yours. Okay. We'll have to practice the studio. So Mercy, you're going to have to go and create a brand new one. Add, get rid. Who cares? You can't get rid of your cat. Don't worry about it. Leave your cat there. Get letters. Don't stress on it. Go down to choose a sprite and get letters. Mr. Toby, you want to take them through the end and then we'll be good for today. So no matter what, girls, please try to do your own legit name. Please do your own legit name. You can use the same exact code that you already did, or you can try a bunch of different other code. Please come tomorrow with just some type of letters on there and have those letters doing something different when you click. When you click the green flag. Okay. Anybody have any questions before we leave today? Any questions before we leave? Okay. So again, we were successfully able to see now I don't okay. Let me sign out here. Okay, so we are successfully able to see. Yes, very good. Oh, okay, Mercy. Okay, great. You got it right there. ADA. Awesome. So Mercy has 2 of them in there. Awesome. Okay. So we will be sending a video of how to get into this. So you'll be able to do that. Okay, nobody has any questions. Everybody I know it was the very beginning. Don't stress. Okay. Just learn how to put some characters in there and add code. Okay. Mr. Toby, anything you need to say to them?
Okay. Nothing particularly, but I'd like to say well done, girls. And also to let you know that we'll be sharing the video from this particular session. So for as many people who were not able to get started or who were stuck at some point, you'd get the video of this session and you'll be able to watch it again. So we'll likely be uploading it on YouTube. And I will definitely share the link with us on our WhatsApp group. So also I would like to encourage that for as many that has been able to find their way around, many others would start asking questions on the group. You can also help out. You can help out individually. You can reach out to them on their DMs, and you can also help out on the group. So I also encourage as many people that have not been able to find their way around it to please, wherever it is that you're stuck, please send messages to the group so that you can get help. myself, Mr. Victor and Coach Eric will still be looking actively on the group to see for people who still have questions and who need help with one thing or the other. So please do well to send messages on the group and also send clear questions so that people can easily help you. So I don't want to just say, I'm not able to, I have issues. I want you to send the issue particularly. Okay, I am stuck at adding letters to my Scratch, or say I'm stuck at logging into Scratch. You know, that's a clear statement showing exactly where you're stuck. So I want questions like that. So definitely you get help. And I just want to encourage as many people that already have their way around it. So please keep trying. Keep doing other fun things. If you've added your name, you can do something else. This would help you get more familiar to the page. Thank you very much. That'll be all from my hand for now.
Okay, Mr. Victor, anything to say before they leave?
All right. No, I don't have anything to say.
Okay, well, great job, girls. It is crazy, you know, hard on the phone, so don't stress, okay? Just, you know, play around on the phone, learn how to move around, swipe to get from the left to the right and get your blocks and put them in and just try to get some letters in there and some blocks to it, okay? We'll be doing this for the next 4 days. It'll become a little bit easier as you're doing it. Please, if some of you were here last year with the HTML, please, like Mr. Toby said, reach out. I'd love to make sure that we're helping you and getting it all organized for you. So thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will be back tomorrow at the same exact time for a brand new project. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
All right, well done, Coach Eric.
I think the studio is just too crazy confusing for dude. I mean, you got to go here, copy this link, go back over here, grab the link, and then go. It's like, what the heck, man? I don't know why they make it so hard on the phone. These poor girls. I think maybe what we should stress is doing that like Thursday or Friday, you know, when then they can put in the other code.
Yes, that was why I suggested we stick to the three letters, three characters, because if you ask them to do their name, you know, some of them has about maybe 6 letters in their name.
Well, great practice, just repetition.
We might not get out today.
Well, no, I do agree. They don't have to necessarily get all of them. It was a great job. They're just going to have to play around with it today and get used to how they move around. So
yeah, it was quite frustrating when I was giving it a try as well. It was quite frustrating. I wanted to share to my studio. I have to copy, then go all the way to the top. You know, click on this icon, look studio, then paint, then paste it there as a link. So it was quite frustrating, and the swiping aspect of it also. Yeah, maybe what we are going to do tomorrow is to teach them the sliding part. So they'll just slide their phone.
Yeah, but you know what's the problem with that? I don't know if then I went like this and it was fine. And then when I turned back, now it's only that much of the phone. So I don't know what I I don't know what. All I know is just keep these
actually,
projects extremely, like that one project where you want them to build the button.
I believe
They
they are going. That was why I put that project to the last day, because by then, they will have gotten used to the environment. They will have gotten used to the interface. They will have gotten used to how to swipe left, add sprites, and so we won't be going from scratch. We won't be teaching them how to add new sprite. Or we just be telling them, okay, add a new sprite, add this sprite, code this, code that. I don't see the feasibility, but I just need to add it there. And that's why it was bound to 2 days. So if you're unable to complete it on Thursday, so we can continue from where we stop on Friday.
Okay. Okay. The other thing is, I don't know, Toby, I think we should really ask too, is how many people were able to stay in? I felt like they were coming in and leaving and coming in. And that's another thing with just the complexity of the project that we want. I don't know who is able to stay the whole time. So that might be another thing to try to see. But great job. All right. I like how you said that. I like how you said that duplicating is really hard. As the duplicating was really hard, as it was getting crazy confusing just to put it into the studio, but
so because I actually tried all of that, when I was trying to practice. When I was trying to practice, I tried all of that. So I discovered it was too difficult for me to duplicate.
No, big man, just put your finger on there.
It worked.
Just hold your finger down.
It worked the first time, but the second time it didn't work. The third time I tried it, it didn't work. The fourth time I tried it too. Oh, I was like, this is going to frustrate the students.
That's because, Victor, that's because you're too old and you don't understand iPads and tablets. See, we don't understand that. These kids know all that. They're fine. They're just fine. You and I are computers. They're tablets. But it is something that we do want them to at least be aware of, so they can kind of practice it on their own. So I do agree. So that's fine, no problem. What did you want to do tomorrow? You want to do legit lesson 2, or do you want to kind of stay on this and do? Because lesson 2, you have the cat moving and the buildings moving underneath, right?
Yeah, I think it's still basic, so it's something I feel they can still do. Maybe what we are going to look out for today is we are going to look out for the ones they've done, if they were able to complete it. Just like you said, some of them just coming in and going out. I don't know, about maybe 80% of them were just getting kicked out and coming back in. So let's see what they are able to do. I think that is what will determine if we are still going to recap, or we can always recap maybe the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Can always use it as revision, to walk them through how it was done as well.
Yeah.
Getting into the new topic.
Okay. Yeah, very good. That'll be fantastic. Mr. Toby, I apologize. I don't have the WhatsApp. I no longer have. I thought you had sent something about the WhatsApp, but I don't see it in. I apologize, Toby. If you wouldn't mind sending it again.
Okay, I'll check. I'll send you the invite again.
Yeah, that would be great, because I'm almost I don't see it here unless you sent it. You didn't send it in.
Maybe you left the group at some point.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't know.
Okay, I'll send you the group invite now on Slack.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Yes.
All right, gentlemen. Well, have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll be at it tomorrow. Great job today for that.
All right.
Thank you, Coach Eric.
All right.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Mr. Victor.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.